Hey, what's going on, everyone? Quick update. So, I received a lot of questions regarding how I have my interface set up, specifically, how in the world my damage numbers are so small, and to a degree, why player damage and player damage taken numbers, so basically anything running the players, is invisible. You've noticed that in some of my videos where there's other people, when they do damage or when they take hits, it isn't shown. Now, I'll give you an example of what I mean. So, I'm just going to hit this and my damage numbers are very small. Now, I had answered a few of these questions in the chat, saying that it's an interface thing, that you can change this in your options and settings, and many of you were like, I can't find it. It's not there for me. So, of course, I did some investigation because I actually hadn't changed this in a while, and you are all correct. It is not in the NGS options. So if we go through gameplay, it does not appear anywhere in the gameplay. If we go to interface, it does not appear anywhere in the interface. And then, of course, if we go graphics, it's definitely not there. So I had to figure out what was going on, and then I realized PSO2 and NGS have different options. Let's go to PSO2, and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so now we are back in PSO2. Things are going to look a little small just because of how the UI interface has been scaled given the settings from NGS and PSO2, but now we've gone into settings. We're going to go down into basic settings. Then we're going to go into text display. You will immediately see damage display and also display healing and damage. So for my character, I have it small. So when I do damage, it is small. For party members and other characters, I do not show. Don't really care. Display healing and damage, same thing. So display damage is for when you are doing damage. Healing / damage is when you are taking damage or when you are healing. I've also set that to small. I've also set that the party members and other characters do not show. In addition, other things such as experience, I've also set to small. Item acquisition, same thing. I have it displayed next to character. You can technically turn that off. I actually like that on just to see what I've got, just to keep track of things. So it's kind of annoying that this isn't in NGS options. It's kind of interesting how the PSO2 options do carry over. So it'll be interesting to see how long this persists. And I guess the most important thing is for any of you who are doing NGS only, if that's a thing, I'm not too sure if that's a thing yet, you might not have this option because you need to hop back into PSO2. Definitely did some investigation, had to figure out what was going on and why you all weren't seeing it. It's in PSO2. So for other type of things that might be missing in NGS, one of the things you might want to check out is it a PSO2 option, and do these options carry over? Other than that, hope that was helpful, and I'll catch you all next time.